Rising to prominence, a journey to success. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across in stories of success and achievement: rose to prominence. Understanding this phrase can not only enrich your vocabulary but also inspire you by the stories it often accompanies. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Stay tuned. Rose to prominence is a phrase that signifies someone or something gaining significant recognition, status, or popularity within a particular field or among the public. The word rose here is the past tense of rise, suggesting an upward movement or increase. Prominence refers to the state of being important, famous, or noticeable. Together, they describe a journey from relative obscurity to a high level of fame or importance. This phrase is often used in narratives or descriptions of individuals, organizations, or even ideas that have achieved a high level of success or influence after starting from a lower or less recognized position. It's commonly seen in biographies, historical accounts, news articles, and documentaries. For example, the author rose to prominence after her novel won a prestigious award. This technology company rose to prominence in the early 2000s, becoming a leading player in the industry. Let's look at some detailed examples to understand how this phrase works in various contexts. Example 1. Historical figures. Abraham Lincoln rose to prominence through his dedication to politics and his eloquent speeches, eventually becoming one of the most revered presidents of the United States. Example 2. Innovations. The Internet rose to prominence in the late 20th century, revolutionizing how we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. Example 3. Social movements. The environmental movement rose to prominence in the 1970s, drawing attention to the importance of protecting our planet. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, rose to prominence. It's a powerful expression that tells a story of growth, achievement, and recognition. We hope this video has been informative and inspiring for your English language learning journey. Remember, every great achievement starts somewhere, and perhaps one day, you too will rise to prominence in your chosen field. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips and insights. See you in the next video.